Hey, this is Mateo Garcia with YouTube Creator AI, and this is the demo video. So I'm working on a video about Aaron Paul selling his house, career, and net worth. You can use this tool for any video, any topic. The main purpose is to help creators be able to put one simple prompt, and the tool already knows to create, 5 SEO titles that are great for YouTube, that are tight for all viewing devices. Our tool takes a little bit longer because it is fetching, Google Trends. So let's see what it came up with. Aaron Paul sells 9.9 million LA mansion. So these are all updated titles. That's the reason I'm doing a video on it. I did see that Aaron Paul was selling his home here. Okay, so if you like any of these titles, you can save these to notes. And we'll get to your scratch pad later, but let's just save these here, okay? Now you can go down to the video description. Once you put in a prompt once, you don't have to put it in again. And also, you may not need a thumbnail. You may not need all of the options here. So we just want to have at least one simple prompt, and you can go to the part of the tool that you need. If you already have a video completed, or if you're looking to come up with some video ideas on trending topics, you can come to our tool here as well. So now that we generated the descriptions, okay, so this is an up-to-date description here, August 2025. So we can save this to notes. If you're not happy, you can go ahead and generate it again. If you like anything here, you can also copy it and save it to your own clipboard, however your process is. It'll also generate some long tail keywords. You can save these short tail or tags, and a suggested file name for the video that you upload to YouTube. Now let's go to the thumbnail concept and image. So this is going to give us at least some ideas to what you may want the thumbnail to look like. One thing to keep in mind with the thumbnail image generator, when you're creating like celebrity videos or pop culture people that are real people, sometimes it does have some tricky things for security purposes and things to generate an actual image. But it will give the definite concept, and it will generate the image once you change any sort of prompts if needed. So here's a concept here. We're going to save that to notes. Here's some suggested captions that you can overlay on top of the thumbnail. And this gives us some prompts that if you use your own image generator that you can copy. But let's save this prompt as well. You can also write a custom prompt, but we're going to go ahead and generate an image here. We have some different types: pop art, modern comic, anime. So let's try an anime here. All right, so we're going to generate image. It's going to take a minute, but this is going to be a thumbnail. It's going to be in widescreen. So this is an anime of Aaron Paul. This is actually pretty good, his tequila brand. So if you like this image, you can download it. We also have a minimal text editor here. If you do like any of these captions, you can go ahead and add them here, change the text color, mess with that a little bit here. And if you like that, you can download it as well. All right, so now we're going to go down to the video hook. Once again, if you already have a video, you may not need this part, but this can give you some ideas to maybe change it, or if you haven't created a video yet. And once again, I'm putting in my Aaron Paul selling house because I do celebrity real estate videos, but this tool will work for any sort of channel or any sort of videos. So video hook, so it has some video hooks here. Let's save some of these to notes. Save. All right. You can save them all. You can dismiss them. This is a new tool that we just upgraded to. So let's get a video script outline. The main function is, hey, to come to our tool, get a quick SEO title, a description, and possibly a thumbnail. If you already have a video created. If you haven't created the video yet, this is a great tool that you can use. Once again, that'll pull up trending topics up to date. So here's the script outline. Gives us another hook, an intro, main points, some call to action. So we can save the full outline to notes. We also have a contact expansion. So once you create one video, it's a good idea to have some clips or to have some ideas if this video pops off, to be able to have some maybe shorter clips to, complement this particular video. So let's see what it comes up with for some ideas for TikTok or some additional videos. So here it gives us some additional long form, short form, so we can save these. Another underrated feature of our tool, or a feature that people don't use on YouTube, is community posts. So we can give you some community post ideas here, where if you've been a while since you've posted a video, this is a great way where you could keep your audience engaged by doing a community post, and then it also signals to YouTube that you're still active. And you can definitely check it out. You'll get likes and comments on your community posts. And this will give you some different ideas where you can do an announcement, a poll, a quiz. So if you like any of these, you can save these to notes here. All right. Let's say you want to get an idea of what type of audience you're trying to direct this video to. So I'm a celebrity, lifestyles, and real estate. Okay, so that's what my channel is, like Taylor Swift and Jennifer Lopez and Hugh Jackman. Okay, so I'm giving a little bit more than I need here, but if you want to go ahead and, if you have a cooking channel or a gaming channel, and this just gives you an idea of who are the type of people that may be viewing your overall video. You can look at your Google Analytics or your YouTube Analytics in your studio to check this out. Give it just a minute here. So this kind of gives us a fictional viewer, what their goals are, their pain points. So this just kind of, so you can try this out for your particular channels. Let's save this to notes as well. Here's an A/B testing lab. If you already have some titles that you want to check out, you can definitely put it in here. But let's go ahead and just use our Aaron Paul and give some A/B test ideas. You can really use this as copying, some titles that you already have and kind of compare a couple here, or just putting in, like I said, a couple keywords. And once again, this is more if you're really wanting to play around with the tool here and really see what's going on with some of your titles and really get them close. So if you like any of these, you can save these to notes. Right, so once anything you have saved, it's going to come to your scratch pad here. So all your video titles you saved, all your video description, all those keywords, the file name, thumbnail, anything that you saved is over in your scratch pad here. You can copy any of this. You can go right to the titles here, copy them within here and paste them. You can copy all of them to your own notepad, or you can come down here to copy all notes or save. And what this will do will pop up your YouTube creator notes, all the notes that you saved here that you can use as your kind of running doc as you're creating your video. You can, print and save it as a PDF and save it for later on. So if you like this tool, go ahead and check it out. If you like some of the features here, if you have some questions, let's say you come over here and you have these two titles here that you want to compare. You can come to our Ask AI bot and say, which title would be best for YouTube? And let's just paste both of those titles here, and our Ask YouTube expert will go ahead and kind of process and kind of give us a clear recommendation on what title to use. You can also check this out in the A/B testing lab. Once again, this tool is specifically for YouTube creators. I know a lot of us use ChatGPT and Gemini, but this tool, you don't have to give it any additional prompts. So both titles are strong. I would recommend inside Aaron Paul's, okay? And it'll give you a clear recommendation of which one to give, and then give some additional suggestion. You can save any of these to notes as well. We have some additional pro tips if you're just curious. These do pop up when you're generating titles. You can dismiss them. Okay, any sort of helpful links. If you need some other ideas, we go to Gemini chat. If you have some other help that you may need creating your YouTube video, we'll have some latest announcements here. And then we are offering a one-time lifetime access where you pay a one-time payment and you get unlimited user use of this tool. So rather than having a bunch of different, Chat GPT, Gemini, Grok, comparing what your titles are, you can prompt our tool one time and it's going to give you, you can still choose what titles that you prefer, but it will give you SEO trending titles. And this is very important, especially if you are doing, news, celebrity, or videos that are on current pop culture topics. If you have any questions, email me at mateo@youtubecreatorai.com.